Hi guys, welcome to this quick review about this Puteltal voice changer. That's the new model 2021. I didn't even know that something like this exists till about 2 months ago or so, and I found out that a lot of people seem to be really interested into this thing. So I was interested to buy and also show you that, because it's not an easy thing. I mean, if you're used to that, it's definitely not complicated, but the beginning is a little bit difficult. So again, this is the 2021 model. It has a little bit more features and it definitely looks much nicer than the older model. It's available on Amazon for around $50, has good reviews. Now I have been trying this a little bit because it took me some time, maybe around 15 minutes, to find out everything, how it works with a computer, with the headphone and other things like with a normal phone. And this is how it works. I mean, this is what you get. You get the core device and you get the red cable, which is a USB cable which you can use to your PC, and you get the 3.5mm cable which you can use for any audio device. You can see that here. That's a 4-pin 3.5mm cable. By the way, here we have already some description on the packaging, how to wire this thing up, and we also get some instructions manual here. Unfortunately, this didn't make it much more clear for me. I still had a lot of questions after reading that. I mean, the device is very powerful, so it's very difficult to explain this thing on only 6 pages. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to show you what you can do. So first thing is, it needs to be powered. I mean, initially you can power this from any power source. You can use a power bank here. This is a normal USB plug, and you can charge it. It has an internal battery, and then it can run for a while from the internal battery, but you can always charge it. And also during the time when you're charging it, you can work on that, so you don't have to wait. So you can instantly hook this up to your power bank or PC and then use it. So where is the input and where is the output? This is where it gets a little bit complicated. Not too complicated, but a little bit. So in my case, you can see that here how I have this. I have my headphones here with microphone and of course the speaker, and I have plugged it in here. This is where it says headphones. You can see that here, headphones. And here it says devices. What does it mean? This is actually the output. If you have some 3.5mm output, let's say you're going to a console or you want to record it with a camera or with your cell phone, this is where it goes, the output. This is where the sound goes out. But you can also use the USB as an output when you power this on. Here you can long press, then you power this on. You can see there's a blue light when you long press. When you long press again, then the power is off like this, and long press again, then the power is on. And then the PC will detect this as a special device. It will recognize this as a speaker and as a microphone. It will set up both of these devices, the speaker and the microphone. You will find that here. I can show you that. So this is on my PC. You see the recording. We have the microphone here. That's the name. And also as a playback we have this device. So both are activated as default. As soon as I plug it in, this is really good. Windows 10 has automatically recognized this. So I can use any program here to record, or I can use it for gaming or whatever. And at the same time I can use my headset, so the sound is everywhere. So the microphone is of course coming from here, it goes into this device, but the output can go through USB into the PC or through the 3.5mm into any device like camera or mobile phone. What I've noticed, and I think this is really the case, the output doesn't go at the same time to the 3.5mm and the USB. So it goes either to the 3.5mm or it goes into the USB. And to switch you have to turn it on or like off and then on again. And I think as soon as you have the 3.5mm plugged in, it will always go here. When you remove this, then the output will go into the PC, something like that. but there's no explanation about that. This is just what I have noticed. So this is what I will do during the test. I will plug this in now into my camera, and I'm going to wear these headphones. You will hear the audio from this microphone, and then I will press a couple of buttons and you will hear the difference in the voice. And at the same time, of course, I can hear it while it's recording on my camera. That's the good thing. So I went a little bit closer with the camera so you can see everything. We have a couple of buttons here. I've never found out what this button means here. Electro. It's a very loud voice. It has a couple of settings. And yeah, for me it didn't have any real impact. I think it will change a little bit the voice, but it was hard to notice. But the main things are here. I mean, that's already not my voice here. I can change it. Now this is a very high tone. Now I can go lower. This is I would say my natural voice, and then I can go even lower. And yeah, that's really low. I still hope I hope you can still understand me. I go a little bit higher. Then we have the male, and then we have also all the settings, very light change with the male, or also very heavy change. You can see.
Same thing for the female. Yeah, here very high, and now it gets a little bit lower so you can understand me. And the same thing for the baby, really crazy. Let's go a little bit less. Now, yeah, sometimes the change is higher with the plus, and with other things the change is stronger with the minus. That's a little bit, let's say you have to get used to that.
Here we have the monster. Let's go to the minimum, and let's go to the plus. That's the craziest
thing. Yeah, now with this thing we are pretty much back to normal, I think. There's a game mode and a non-game mode. With the game mode you can't hear your own voice. With the non-game mode it will also go into your headphone or whatever you're using. I mean, here this is the headphone with the microphone and the speaker in my headphone, and now with the non-game mode I can hear my voice directly. This is really good, really helpful, so I can understand what other people are hearing. And then with the plus and the minus I can change the volume. The volume is then also changed for other people and not only for me. So I would say it's not too difficult. You just have to know how it works. For me it works really good. I would say after maybe 10-15 minutes you get really used to that. It seems to work really strong, really reliable. Could be a really fun thing. I go back a little bit to almost my original voice, not totally my original voice, but I hope this is a voice which you can still understand. I mean, it's also not the best microphone here on this headset, but I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below, and I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you liked the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.